Ethical email collection is crucial for effective marketing. Permission-based lists lead to higher engagement, with open rates 20 to 30% higher than purchased lists. Non-compliance with controlling the assault of non-solicited pornography. And marketing regulations risks fines up to $43,792 per email. Ethical lists also achieve 3 times better conversion rates, fostering genuine relationships and brand loyalty. Ethical email collection significantly boosts engagement, with permission-based lists achieving 20 to 30% higher open rates. Non-compliance with the Controlling the Assault of Non-Solicited Pornography and Marketing Act can incur fines up to $43,792 per email. Ethical lists also convert 3 times better, fostering genuine relationships and trust, unlike purchased lists that harm sender reputation and increase spam complaints. Consent and permission are crucial in ethical email collection. Ensure explicit opt-in by having subscribers willingly provide their email addresses, understanding their use. Communicate transparently about content type and frequency to build trust. Always include an easy one-click unsubscribe option to maintain list health and regulatory compliance. Proven ethical tactics for email collection include offering valuable incentives like exclusive content or discounts. Ensure transparency by clearly stating the benefits and privacy policies. Use double opt-in to confirm interest and maintain list integrity. Regularly update subscribers on how their data is used, fostering trust and long-term engagement. Position subscription forms in high-visibility areas for optimal conversion. Above the fold on homepages, within blog posts, and on product pages are effective. Use exit intent overlays to capture leaving visitors. Yodlee boosted signups by 35% by moving forms above the fold. A/B test placements to find the best spots for your audience. Smart pop-ups enhance engagement by using behavioral triggers like displaying after 50% page scroll or 30 seconds of browsing. Contextual offers align with page topics, such as recipe downloads on cooking blogs. Control frequency to once per session to avoid annoyance. Clearly state the value proposition within 3 seconds to capture interest effectively. Educational content like ebooks and industry reports address audience challenges, while practical resources such as checklists and templates offer immediate value. Interactive quizzes, requiring email for personalized results, engage users. A digital marketing agency's content strategy quiz generated 500 leads in 6 weeks, showcasing the power of shareable, insightful content. Existing customers are prime for email collection, having shown trust through purchases. Use post-purchase requests, service calls, and account creation with opt-ins. Offline, leverage events with sign-up sheets and kiosks. Segment subscribers by source and engagement to tailor communication, enhancing relevance and reducing unsubscribes. Understanding legal compliance is crucial for email marketing. GDPR mandates explicit consent, data access, erasure rights, and purpose limitation, with fines up to 20 million euros. Canned spam requires accurate headers, clear subject lines, and opt-out mechanisms, with penalties up to $43,792 per email. Non-compliance risks include damaged sender reputation and reduced deliverability. General data protection regulation requires explicit consent, data access, erasure rights, and data use limitations, with fines up to 20 million euros. Controlling the Assault of Non-Solicited Pornography and Marketing Act mandates accurate headers, clear subjects, and opt-out options, with penalties up to $43,792 per email. Non-compliance harms sender reputation, leading to spam folder placement and reduced deliverability, monitored by major email providers. Avoid buying email lists. They contain unverified contacts, leading to high spam complaints and legal issues. Email scraping from websites or social media violates privacy laws and harms your reputation. For business-to-business outreach, personalize messages with genuine research, comply with opt-in laws, and include clear unsubscribe options to maintain ethical practices. Utilize pop-up platforms like WisePops and Opt-in Monster for targeted email collection. Form builders such as Typeform and Gravity Forms offer customer relationship management integration and custom fields. Leverage analytics tools like Google Analytics to track subscriber engagement. A/B testing with VWO and Optimizely refines form design and placement, enhancing conversion rates and overall list health. WisePops, OptinMonster, and Privy enhance email collection with targeting and A/B testing, boosting conversion rates. Ungapped, Typeform, and Gravity Forms offer custom fields and customer relationship management integration. Google Analytics and Mixpanel track subscriber sources and engagement. VWO and Optimizely test form elements. Monitor conversion rates, source attribution, and engagement for optimal results. These charts highlight the transformative effects of ethical email collection. Monthly growth surged post-implementation of pop-ups and lead magnets. Permission-based lists outperform purchased ones by 3 to 4 times in open rates. Click-through rates show lead magnets and pop-up signups as top performers, emphasizing the value of strategic, consent-driven approaches. Ethical email collection is a long-term investment in brand reputation and sustainable growth. Prioritize quality over quantity. Engaged subscribers yield better return on investment. Start with clear opt-in forms and genuine lead magnets. Permission is foundational for trust and lasting business impact. Audit and optimize your methods regularly for future success.